Every leaf has a story. Most become garbage, some become gold. The leaf doesn't choose. We do. From thorn, well, to throne. It feels alive. That's because it once was. Before this factory, 80% of every pineapple plant was burned. Trash. Poison. What if? Well, the trash was the treasure all along. Each plant gives 30 leaves. Only the oldest 10 are used. The rest return to soil. No machines. No electricity. This tool is 500 years old. Free washes in the same river the farmers' grandfathers used. 6 hours of tropical sun. No chemicals. No bleach. Just light. One bale equals 3,000 leaves equals 10 kilograms of usable fiber. 300 kilometers, potholes, dust, heat. The fiber doesn't complain. Refrigerated container, 4 degrees Celsius, humidity 0%. The fiber sleeps. 3 days of storm. The fiber doesn't wake. Shanghai, where the old world hands the leaf to the new world.
This is where the magic happens. Not in Monaco. Here. Every bale is tested for moisture, mold, and strength. 2% fail. They are burned. This is where the leaf forgets it was a plant. After this moment, no one will ever see the leaf again. Only the leather. Citric acid from corn. It eats the glue that holds fibers together. Leaves the fiber pure. One leaf becomes 10,000 filaments. Each one invisible to the naked eye. Enzymes from fungi. They eat the rough parts. Leave only soft. Too acidic and fiber breaks. Too alkaline and fiber becomes mush. This is cooking with chemistry. 12 washes. 1,000 liters per minute. Every drop reused. 3,000 spins per minute. Water becomes mist. Fiber becomes sponge. Vacuum drying. No heat damage. The fiber never knows it was wet. Carding, an ancient wool technique, now used for pineapple. 1 kilometer of web per hour. Stronger than cotton. Lighter than silk. 2,000 needles. 1,000 punches per second. The fibers get tangled. No glue. No chemicals. This is the skeleton. The bones of the leather. Without it, the metallic layer would crack. Water-based resin. 60% plant-based. No solvents. No VOC. You can drink this, please don't. Excess removed. Only the resin inside the fibers remains. 0.2 millimeter coating. Gel stage. The resin is now a solid, but soft, ready for metal. 50 micron aluminum bronze particles. Each one catches light like a tiny mirror. 50,000 volts. The dust is magnetized to the gel. No glue, just physics.
"98% of all dust is reused. The only waste here is ambition." 120 degrees Celsius. The dust fuses IN to the leather, not on top, into it. It will never flake.
Flash cooling. 118-degree drop in 3 seconds. The leather remembers its shape forever. Pebble grain. The same texture found on Rolls-Royce seats. Now on pineapple. 0.05 millimeter tolerance. Thinner than a human hair. Anything more is rejected. Ceramic top coat. The same coating used on spacecraft. Protects against UV, scratches, and time. Red wine. Coffee. Oil. Nothing sticks. The leather is as immune as marble. Self-healing surface. Small scratches vanish with body heat. Your fingers fix it. CO2 laser. Cuts like a scalpel. Seals like a soldering iron. 12 eyes per piece. If 3 people miss a flaw, the 4th finds it. A bubble smaller than a grain of salt. Rejected. The auto industry demands perfection. Each piece is touched by human hands at least 7 times before packing. Silk wrapping. Not plastic. Because some things deserve reverence. Every box has a soul. Every batch has a story. This one goes to Maranello. 500 sheets. $250,000 retail value. 14 days to Italy. And so the leaves travel again. This time to become legend. While you sleep, they create. 24/7, 365. The factory never blinks. These hands have touched 10,000 sheets. They know every flaw before their eyes see it. Or years of failure. 3,000 experiments, 2,987 rejects. These 13 succeeded. Fire retardant. Naturally, the pineapple leaf refuses to burn, even when processed. Acetone. Gasoline, battery acid. Nothing touches it. This leather is invincible. Stronger than cow. 187 kilograms of force to tear 1 square inch. Cow leather tears at 120. Pineapple wins. 100,000 folds. No crease. You could fold this leather for a year. It would thank you. 500 hours of UV, the equivalent of 5 years in Arizona sun. No fading. No cracking. Made is in 40 degrees Celsius. The leather flexes like it's summer. Arctic proof. The old teach the young. A skill that can't be written in a manual. Only felt. 6:59 a.m., the last sheet of the night shift. Tomorrow, another 1,000 sheets. Even empty, the factory dreams of gold. This sheet started everything. It's worth more than gold now. But they'll never sell it. 36 hours after leaving the factory, the leather arrives. Not at a factory, at a palace. The buyer's villa. He's been waiting 8 months. The car has been waiting 6. These are the only people allowed to touch the leather after the factory, the best in the world. 1 seat, 6 hours. 2 seats, 12 hours. Perfection takes time. Complete. The only hypercar in existence with pineapple leather. The buyer doesn't know where it came from. He doesn't ask. He drives, he doesn't think about leaves, he doesn't think about workers, he thinks about nothing. That's the point of luxury. 3,000 miles away, the worker who made that sheet watches the same sunset. He knows. The buyer never will. The farmer who cut the leaves wears a gold thread on his wrist. He knows what he made. The world will never know his name. The factory never stops. Tomorrow, new leaves arrive. New sheets are made. New dreams are boxed. They're already working on the next thing. Something stronger, something stranger, something you'll never guess. A first sheet they ever made. They will never sell it. It's their proof that impossible is possible.
Is created for educational purpose using AI tools. The script and ideas were inspired by public info and competitor concepts. Then rewritten using AI to ensure originality. Visuals and animation are AI generated using Veo 3 Meta AI, Grok AI, and editing is done in CapCut. We do not copy or reuse any other creator's content. This video is informative only and does not present AI visuals or real footage.